Since Tesla's first launch of its model, the Roadster, it has set many benchmarks for the EV industry. Since Tesla is much more evolved rather than the Roadster with its model S, X, 3 and recently the Y. But in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 electric cars that will challenge Tesla Model S. So without any further delay, let's electrify. Many big German companies like Daimler, BMW and Volkswagen Group have spent 10 years to design their EVs to challenge Tesla model range. Today we will look over the models and see how they can compete this hard mission. Model S started its journey back in 2012 and since then it has got so many improvements. And due to these enhancements, Model S could actually deliver 600 kilometers or 375 miles of range in a single charge. In the near future, Model S will get a bigger battery pack with improved battery chemistry which will accelerate its range beyond 400 miles or 600 kilometers. So, moving on to our first rival for the Model S is the Lucid Air. Recently launched in its production version, history of Lucid Motors began in 2006 when the company was mostly engaged in its battery and powertrain technology. But after so many years struggling financially, Lucid is finally ready to start the production of its most awaited electric car. The first modification of the Lucid Air will be a Dream Edition, would cost around $100,000 and the company is currently accepting $1,000 deposits for the reservation. Although this manufacturer is relying on its long-term experience in batteries and powertrains, this manufacturer could seriously challenge Tesla's Model S in the terms of performance and range. The early driver will be able to enjoy incredible 625 kilometers or 400 miles of range, with the top speed of 200 miles per hour. Also the acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in astonishing 2.5 seconds. The company also plans to launch its cheaper version in near future. The Lucid CEO and CTO Peter Volisa, who has earlier worked at Tesla, said that car has been equipped with 900-volt system and will set a new efficiency standard for future electric vehicles. Already rolling on the roads, its impressive exterior and interior design to its drag coefficiency, built on the skateboard platform, Taycan has dual motors and the system gives 460 kilowatts of power output to these motors during normal driving. At the launch event, Taycan was only available in two modifications, the Turbo and Turbo S. The most powerful S version delivers 560 kilowatts of power output and 774 pound-feet of torque, and the Turbo has maximum power output of 500 kilowatts and 626 pound-feet of torque. The existing powertrain pushes Taycan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere 2.6 seconds, while the Turbo needs 3 seconds for this run. As a response to the large complaints about the high price of these modifications, Porsche has been working on the much cheaper Taycan 4S, which will be nearly $50,000 cheaper than the original Taycan. This version will be a 4-door sedan with same chassis and powertrain but with shorter features and choice between two battery capacities. Moving on to our third competitor is Audi. As the Audi is part of the VW group, it takes some designs from its Porsche to its fully electric sedan concept. It was first appeared in the Los Angeles Auto Show in 2018 and it was also featured in Avengers Endgame as Audi e-tron GT. e-tron GT will be the same size as the existing A7 and will feature the distinctive sleek body shape, sports profile and will come with the company's famous Quattro all-road system that will distribute the power to every individual wheel. Company claims the e-tron GT will be able to do 0 to 60 miles per hour in short 3.5 seconds. This car will be equipped with 800-volt charging system which will boost 0 to 80% charge in just 20 minutes. e-tron GT is estimated to have 225 miles of range in a full charge, and Audi also shared that this car will enter in production at the end of 2020 and the produced cars will be delivered to the customers at the start of 2021. There is no strict information regarding to e-tron GT prices, but assumably it could be around $100,000. Another big German manufacturer is the Daimler AG with its Mercedes-Benz EQS, hoping to make a new rivalry with its EQS. Before EQS, Mercedes also launched its SUV, the EQC, which is rival for the Tesla's Model X. Talking about the EQS, automaker describes this as a trailblazer for the entire Mercedes EQ family. But actually, EQS is available only as a concept, but there is enough information that this car will go into production in 2021. Based on the concept car specs, this car will feed 350 kilowatts of power with its battery pack of 100 kilowatt hours, which is same as the long-range Tesla Model S. The produced power will be enough to hit 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. As the battery pack is huge, it will deliver the range about 388 miles, which is mind-boggling, and it will recharge the battery to 80% in just 20 minutes. Although it is still unclear that how much one needs to pay for the all-new Mercedes-Benz EQS. And last but not the least, the famous British Jaguar brand is going totally into the production of its flagship XJ sedan. Its existing modification switching to fully electric version, as car makers stated that the upcoming EV will be the first range of new electric vehicles. It is expected to be built on JLR new modular platform, which will support both EV and ICE drivetrains. Some unofficial reports also say that the electric version will have the range of about 292 miles on a full charge. The car maker also said that the vehicle will come with 100 kilowatt hours of battery pack, which will provide 150 kilowatts of output, which tells that the XJ concept will compete not only with the Tesla Model S but with well-known electric supercars. So which is your favorite Tesla Model S competitor? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. This is Parth Patel signing off.